Okay. So I will take your names as it is showing on my screen. Okay, and you have to start reading. You have to start reading. So first is Aditi. Yes, Aditi, start reading.
Hello.
Yes.
Properties of natural resources. Properties of air. Air is all around us. We cannot see it, yet we feel the pressure of air. Presence of
Presence.
air. Presence of air. When we inhale, air is taken in through the nose. If we blow on our hand through our lips, we can feel the air. Try this. Take a stick from a broom or a paper or plastic straw. Tie a thread at its center and hang it so that it remains horizontal. Tie two rubber balloons of the same size at the two ends of the stick. See to it that the stick remain horizontal. Now remove one balloon, inflate it and tie it again and its original position. Does the stick remain horizontal? The stick goes down on the side of the inflated balloon. This means that air has weight. Air is a mixture of gases, therefore, like all other matter, it has mass and weight. Second, take an injection syringe without the needle.
Syringe.
Pull syringe without the needle, pull its piston and observe it as you do so. The piston can be pulled out easily. The piston then remains in that position even if you let it go. Now close the inlet hole of syringe tightly with your thumb. Pull the piston and let it go. Is the force required to pull out the piston more or less than before? Does the piston remain as it is after you let it go?
Okay, stop.
The mol-
Stop. Next is Deepika. Yes,
Ma'am,
Deepika, start reading. Yes.
the molecules of the gases in the air are in constant motion. When these molecules strike a body, they create pressure on that body. This is the pressure of air that we call atmospheric pressure. On pulling the piston with the inlet hole of the syringe closed, more space becomes available to the air in the syringe and it becomes
Syringe. It's syringe.
okay, syringe and it becomes rarefied. As a result, the pressure of the air in the syringe is lowered. Comparatively, the pressure of the outside air is very high. That is why when the pulled out piston is released, it is immediately pushed in. If this experiment is repeated holding the syringe in different positions like vertical, horizontal or inclined, the piston is found to go into the same extent in all the cases. From this, we can infer that atmospheric pressure is the same in all the directions. Do you know? Under ordinary conditions, atmospheric pressure at sea level is about 1,01,400 newtons per square meter. It can be measured with the help of a barometer. As we go higher above sea level, atmospheric pressure decreases. A little fun. Place a piece of cardboard on the mouth of a glass filled completely with water. Holding the cardboard firmly in place with one hand, invert the glass quickly. Take your hand away from the cardboard. What do you see?
Okay, stop. Now Shardul.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, start reading.
From which
Great scientist.
great scientist. In 1726, the Swedish scientist Daniel Bernoulli put forth the important principle that the pressure of air decreases when its velocity increases, while the pressure of air increases when its velocity decreases. If a body is moving through air, the air pressure decreases perpendicular to the direction of the motion, and then air in its surrounding flows rapidly from higher pressure to the lower pressure.
Yes, continue.
Take some water in a plastic cup and hold a straw upright in it. Hold a small piece of another straw near the upper end of the first straw and perpendicular to that straw. Blow hard through the small piece of straw. You will see a fountain of water. Why did this happen? On blowing through the straw, the air at its open end is pushed away, and hence the pressure of the air at the opening goes down. As the pressure of the air near the
You
upper
have
end
to
of the
call it pressure. Okay, Shardul? Pressure.
okay, ma'am. As the pressure of the air near the upper end of the erect straw becomes less, the atmospheric pressure, the water in the cup is pushed from where the pressure is higher to where it is lower. That is in the upward direction, and the water comes out in the form of a fountain. The more forcefully you blow, the higher will be fountain. This straw fountain works on Bernoulli's principle.
Okay, stop. Now, uh, Mahika. It's Mahika.
When there is excites a difference
Exist.
exists a difference in the air pressures at two different places. The air starts flowing from the place of higher pressure to the place of lower pressure. At such time, we feel a breeze or a wind blowing. Thus, winds are an effect of the difference in the air pressure. You will learn more about this lesson called winds in geography. Take ice cubes in a glass. Take
Can you speak little louder?
okay. Take ice cubes in a glass up to 3 to 4th of the its height. Now observe that happens. How did the water droplets appear on the outside of the glass? Due to the ice cubes in the glass, the air surrounding the glass cools down. As the water vapor in this air cools down, it gets
Condenses.
condenses and gets transformed into the water. It is this water that collects on the outer surface of the glass. The level of humidity is the different in the different is, is a different in different places. Similarly, in the
Humidity.
humidity levels also change from time to time during the period of a single day. The level of humidity of the air is determined by its capacity to hold water vapors during the nights or at dawn. When when the temperature of air is low, its capacity to hold the vapor is less. At such time, the excess vapors in the transfer into the water droplets. This is what we call wave.
Dew. Okay, stop. Stop, stop. Next is Prathamesh. Yes, Prathamesh. Yes, start reading from the line where I'm showing the screen. Okay, Prathamesh, any problem? We cannot hear you. Okay, it's okay. You can put off your mic. Now, Sanjana. Sanjana, start reading. Yes,
Hello, ma'am.
Sanjana, start reading. Yes, yes, read.
In the afternoon, when the temperature of the air is high, the capacity of the air to hold the moisture also increases then compared to its full capacity. To hold water, the the proper proportion
Proportion.
proportion proportion
Proportion.
of moisture proportion of moisture in the air is less and we feel that the air is dry. The proportion of the water vapor in the air is high during the monsoons and in coastal
Coastal.
areas.
Coastal
As
areas.
a result, coastal areas. As a result, we feel the damp, dampness or
Dampness.
hu- dampness or humidity.
Hmm.
In summer, wet clothes dry quickly, but in the rains they do not. Why is this so? First, dip and uncorked in inverted empty bottle in a slanting
Slanting.
position slanting position into the water in a wide container
Container.
container container. What do you observe? Second, what change takes place in a balloon on filling air in it? We come to do know from the activities about that air has properties like ma'am हे काय आहे
Occupying.
occupying space, having a certain value, having mass and weight. Air is a mixture of very fine particles of some gases, dust, smoke, and moistures. Then, when rays of light fall on these minute particles, the
Minute.
particles
Minute.
spread the minute particles. The particles spread the light in all the directions. This natural
Phenomenon.
मॅम हे काय आहे
Phenomenon.
phenomenon
Phenomenon.
is called phenomenon. Phenomenon is
Yes.
called
Scattering.
of scattering of light.
Okay.
Temperature
Okay. Stop. 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 Now, next is I don't remember name. I think Harsh, right? Sorry. सर मोठे सरनेम कोणाचं आहे प्लीज माइक ऑन करा
Hello, ma'am.
येस व्हॉट्स युअर नेम
Pradyumna.
येस व्हॉट्स युअर नेम येस प्रद्युम्न तुझंच नाव मी विसरले होते
Pradyumna.
ओके स्टार्ट रेडिंग येस येस
Temperature
स्टार्ट
regulation.
रेडिंग
The earth receives energy. The earth receives energy from the sun. This energy is reflected by the earth in the form of heat. The constituents of air surrounding the earth, such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, absorb a part of this heat and give it to the other constituents of air as a
Constituents.
relay constituents of air as a
Constituents.
resolute
Result.
constituents.
Yes.
Result: the Earth's surface remains warm and thereby becomes suitable for the living world on the Earth. If there were no air on the Earth, the average temperature of the Earth's surface would have been very low. A transmission of sound. All the sounds that we hear reach us through the surrounding air. The density of air also changes due to change in its temperature. In winter, the density of the air increases when can hear the whistle of a distant
Whistle.
train
Whistle.
clearly. Yearly dis, uh, hel- काय मॅम
Whistle. Whistle of the distant.
whistle of the distant train clearly early in the morning. In winter, air is useful as a medium for the transmission of sound. Uh, what properties of water? What are the state in which water is found? What inference will you draw from the picture
Inference.
alongside? Inference will you draw from the pictures alongside? Water occurs in liquid state under ordinary conditions. Water is a fluid substance. Water does not have its own shape but has a volume. It can pass through small holes or seep through very small gaps or cracks. On pouring water in an oil
Pouring.
calded dish, water does not separate but forms small
Spread.
round drops. Why does this spread but forms small round drops? Why does this happen? Take a plastic bottle more
Okay.
than
Stop.
half full of
Stop. Stop.
water.
Stop. Okay. Anagha. Anagha, right? Yes. Anagha, start reading.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Start.
Try this. A bottle more than half full of water. Water on the keep this bottle freezer in
Yes.
the freezer
Anagha, your
after a
voice is
couple of
breaking
hours
in
and
between.
yes, city problem.
Yes. It's okay. Start reading.
Okay, ma'am. You that the water had changed in. You will find that the ice is higher than the water level before freezing. What can you infer? As water freezes to form ice, it expands and its volume increases. On freezing, how in the volume of the water? What proportion did it increase? Take a bucket of water, drop different kinds of articles, like of particles in the water and that float on it. Take some, add two pieces of ice to it. Observe what happens. Why do we see the ice float on water? Ice is colder than water. Water freezes when it freezes to form. It becomes like orange when is transferred into state. Its volume increases. Therefore, the density of net of water that is the floats on water. Density of water
Okay. Okay. Stop. Stop.
between
Stop. Now again Aditi. Yes, Aditi, start reading.
Hello.
Yes, start.
Density of water. The interrelation between the volume and mass of a substance. The space occupied by a substance is its volume. The store of matter in a substance is its mass. Density is equal to mass volume. Mass is measured in
Mass upon
gram.
volume.
Density is equal to mass upon volume. Mass is measured in grams and volume in cubic centimeters. Hence density is equal to gram upon cent. Teacher, what is the
cc, cubic centimeter. Cc, cubic centimeter.
hence density is equal to grams upon cubic centimeter. Hence grams upon cubic centimeters is the unit of density. If the mass of 1 liter of water is 1 kilogram, then what is the density of water? Think. Will the mass of water change when its states changes during the transformation of liquid water into ice? Anomalous behavior of water. Usually, when the temperature of a substance is lowered, its density increases as the volume decreases. But water is an exception exception of this rule.
Exception.
Exception of this to this rule. Keep a glass full of water in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes, then take it out and observe it carefully. From which part in the glass does the water first start freezing? The density of water is
Peculiar.
peculiar. Peculiar. When water at normal temperature starts cooling, its density increases like that the most liquids. However, if its temperature falls below 4 degrees Celsius, its density starts decreasing. This means that the density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. If the temperature of water is lowered below 4 degrees Celsius, its density decreases and volume increases. It means that water expands when the temperature falls below 4 degrees Celsius. This is called anomalous behavior of water. Use your brain power. If cold countries, how do aquatic animals remain alive even after the rivers or lakes freeze in water? Try this. Take 2 big glasses of water, add 4-5 spoonfuls of salt to the water in one glass and dissolve it completely. Now place a potato in the water in the second glass. The potato will sink. Take out the potato from that glass and put it in the salt water and observe. The density of water in that glass is greater due to the dissolved salt. The potato floats in that water because of increased density. Why is it easier to swim in the sea than in a well or a lake? In the above activity, the salt dissolves in the water in the glass, that is, it disappears. What happens when it disappears like this? When the salt dissolves in water, its particles spread in water. Slowly they become smaller and smaller. Ultimately, they become so small that they cannot be seen. That is, they mix completely with water. This is what is called dissolving solute. The substance that dissolve salt is equal to salt. Solvent. The substance in which the solute dissolves is equal to water. Solution. What we get when the solute dissolves in the solvent.
Okay,
Uses
stop.
of
Stop. Deepika.
Ma'am,
Yes.
uses of water according to its properties. First, water is useful for water transport due to its fluidity. Water falling down from a height is used to generate electricity with the help of generator. Second, water is a good coolant and is used in motor vehicles to control the temperature of the engine. Third, many substances are soluble in water. Water is a universal solvent. Water is used as solvent in factories, laboratories, foodstuffs, and in various types of biological processes occurring in the body, such as digestions, excretions, etc. Fourth, water is useful for cleaning purposes, such as for bathing, washing clothes. Soil. Let's recall. First, what is meant by soil? How is soil formed? Second, what are the ingredients of soil? Properties of soil. Color is an important property of soil. The soil gets its color as a result of several processes. The color of soil near land surface is darker than the color of the lower layers. Soil may be of different colors, such as black, red, copper, yellow, grey. The colors of soil are useful for its classification. Besides, they are indirectly useful in indicating several properties of the land. In this way, the properties of the soil, such as its fertility, drainage of water, capacity to hold water, become clear from its color. The color of the soil depends upon its texture and its organic ingredients, as well as on chemical ingredients like iron, lime.
Okay, stop. Next is Shardul. Shardul, start reading. Okay, Mahika. Mahika.
Three measuring cylinders, three gas funnels, filter, paper, water, fine sand, coarse sand, soil from an earthen pot used for growing plants, etc. Procedure fits counts of the filter
Procedure.
paper in the three glass. What? In the three glass funnels, fill the cones with the equal quantities of A, sand B, sandy soil, and C, clay respectively. Place the funnels on the measuring cylinders. Pour one test tube of water into each of the funnels and observe how much water is collected in the measuring cylinder. What inference will you draw from this? Soil texture. Soil contains particles of different size. The texture of soil is determined by the proportion of soils of the various sides in it. Following are the types of soils on the basics of the its texture. Sandy soil. The proportion of sand, example, large particle is
That
high.
is, you have to read that one. That is असं वाचतात त्याला. Okay.
Okay, that is large particles in high in sandy soils. Water drains rapidly through sandy soil. It is easy to plug this soil, but it is less fertile. This is because the particles of sandy soils are made of the mineral called silicon dioxide (QAS). These particles do not dissolve in water and therefore the soils has very little capacity to supply nutrition.
Okay,
Silt
stop.
soil.
Stop. Next is Prathamesh. Okay, Prathamesh has mic problem. Yes. Sanjana. Sanjana. Yes, Sanjana, start reading. Okay, Sanjana, can you hear me? Okay, I think there is some network issue. Pradyumna. Pradyumna, start reading.
Slit soil. The particles of soil are of medium
It's
size.
not slit, it's
Slit soil
silt.
is
Silt.
not
Wait,
as
wait, wait. Wait.
silt.
Is silt soils. Yes. Yes.
Silt.
Start.
Pluggable as sandy soil. However, it is much more pluggable than clay soil. This soil contains a large proportion of organic materials. Its capacity to supply nutrients is much greater. Slit soil is also called
Silt.
sedimentary soil.
Silt.
Silt, clay soil. In
Yes.
this soil, the proportion of small particles is maximum. The particles of clay soil feel smooth to touch. Clay soil has a high water holding capacity. Use your brain power. Why is it difficult to plug clay soil? Why is it easy to plug sandy soil? Question number 3. What is the water holding capacity of slit soil? Uh, Question number 4. Which soil is suitable for uh, cultivation?
Cultivation.
Why? Cultivation. Why? Soil texture. The texture of soil depends
Structure.
upon the different shapes of structure. The structure of soil depends upon the different shapes of the particles in it. Soil occurs in the form of columnar, luminar, granular, as well
Laminar.
as block laminar, uh, as well as block shaped structures. Importance of soil structure. The fertility of soil depends upon soil structure. The advantages of good soil structure are as follow. Roots get a sufficient supply of oxygen. Water bridge is good.
Drainage.
Therefore, the root of
Drainage.
drainage
It's drainage.
is good.
Water drainage.
Water drainage is good. Therefore, the roots of plants grow well. Use of soil. Plant conservation.
Conservation. Conservation.
Plants conservation. To help plants grow. Water conservation. Soil holds water as a result by means of bonds and lakes. We can get water for use throughout the year. Plasticity. Soil can be give any required shape. This property of soil is called plasticity. Because of its plasticity, we can see it to make articles of a variety of shapes. These articles can be baked to make them hard. Water storage, earthen pots, earthen lamps, ideals, bricks, etc. are articles made from soil. Some useful type
Okay,
of
stop.
soil.
Stop,
China
stop.
clay.
Stop. I said stop. Yes, good. Uh, Next is okay, Sanjana, you can read now.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Some useful type of soil. China clay. It's white in color. It is used to make
Crockery.
crockery, bathroom tiles, tanks, laboratory
Apparatus.
apparatus, apparatus, mask, jars, etc. Sando soil,
Shadow.
shadow soil, shadow soil. It is whitish in color. It is used from making statues and idols. Terracotta soil. This soil is red in color. Decorative articles and pots used to growing plant are made for form this soil. Multitany soil. This soil is used in cosmetics.
Multani. Multani soil.
Multani. Do you know China clay is an in industrial
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 mineral.
uh, industrial mineral of the type called
Kaolinite. Yes. Okay.
it
Next
is
is
found in
okay. Start. Continue.
it is found in China and hence called China clay. Upon hitting this soil acquires a glass and hardness and therefore is used for making crockery. Soil testing. The pro,
Proportions.
proper
Proportions.
proportions of the various version
Various.
in
Various.
various ingredients of soil can be determined by soil testing. During soil testing, the soil is examined for color, texture, and the proportion of organ matter in it. Soil is tested to find out if there is a deficiency
Deficiency.
of deficiency any ingredients and to decide what measure should be taken to remove the deficiencies.
Okay. Stop. Next is Anagha. Anagha, start reading.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Start.
The soil sample collected for testing is dried in an open space in the shade for 8 to 10 days. It is then sifted through a sieve. Two tests, namely the pH and the electrical conductivity tests, are particularly useful in finding out the characteristics of soil. You can determine the fertility of the soil in your fields with the help of different tests. Causes of diminished soil fertility: soil pH less than 6 or higher than 8. 2. Low proportion of organic matter. 3. No proper drainage of water. 4. Repeated cultivation of the same crop. 5. Continuous use of saline water. 6. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. World
Okay. Read
Soil
for
Day.
this all. Wait. Read this one. pH.
Okay. Great scientists. The Danish scientist Sorensen put forth the concept of pH based on the concentration of hydrogen ions. To determine the pH of soil, a mixture of water and soil in the proportion 1 to 2 is taken and tested using several indicators. Accordingly, soil may be found to be one of the following three types: Acidic soils pH less than 6.5, neutral soil pH 6.5 to 7.5, alkaline soil pH higher than 7.5.
Okay,
Always
stop.
remember.
Okay, stop. Okay, so now we have completed reading our whole lesson. Have you gone through whatever I have taught you before this? Yes, सगळं पॉलिश झालं का जेवढं शिकवलेलं ते? सांगा मला. Yes? Okay. Now we will start with our questions. Okay, so question number 7. Question number 1 is, how is light scattered by air? Who will answer this? How is soil scattered by air? Okay, Aditi.
Hello.
Yes.
Air is a mixture of very fine particles of some gases, dust, smoke, and moisture. When rays of light fall on these minute particles, the particles spread the light in all the directions. This natural phenomenon is called scattering of light.
Yes, good. Next is, explain the various properties of water. Who will explain various properties of water? Deepika. Yes, Deepika.
Ma'am,
Yes.
water occurs in liquid state under ordinary conditions. Water is a fluid substance. Water does not have its own shape but has a volume. It can pass through small holes or slip through very small gaps or cracks.
Yes. Next is, why is the density of seawater more than that of rainwater? Yes. Yes, Anagha.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
There are many dissolved salts in the seawater. Therefore, the density of seawater is more than the rainwater.
Yes. The next question is, what is the importance of good soil structure? What is the importance of good soil structure? Yes, who will answer this? Yes, write your names in the chat box. Okay. Aditi, Anagha, Deepika. Anyone else? Okay, Aditi.
Hello.
Yes.
The fertility of soil depends upon soil structure. The advantages of good soil structure are as follows. First, roots get a sufficient supply of oxygen. Water drainage is good, therefore the roots of plants grow well.
Yes. Next question is, what are the various uses of soil? Pradyumna, you have to answer this question. What are the various uses of soil? Yes, Pradyumna, are you there? Please answer this question. What are the... Okay. Deepika. Yes, Deepika. Tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
plant conservation to help plants grow. Water conservation. Soil holds water as a result by means of ponds and lakes. We can get water for use throughout the year. Plasticity. Soil can be given any required shape. This property of soil is called plasticity. Because of its plasticity, we can use it to make articles of a variety of shapes. These articles can be baked to make them hard. Water storage, earthen pots, earthen lamps, idols, bricks, etc. are articles made from soil.
Yes. And what is the need and importance of soil testing from the point of view of farmers? Yes. What is the need? Okay, Anagha.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
The farmers want a good produce from his crops. By tasting the soil, he understands the constituents of soil in his farm. Color, texture, and the proportion of organic matter in the soil is tested by various testing procedures. If there is any deficiency in the soil, that is also found out. Measures to be taken to remove deficiency are also suggested. The pH and the electrical conductivity tests are particularly useful in understanding the characteristics of soil.
Yes. Next is, what is the importance of air in the transmission of sound? What is the importance of air in the transmission of sound? Yes, anyone else? Only Aditi, Anagha, and Deepika are answering. Yes, Mahika. Yes.
For the transmission of the sound, we are available to perceive the sound due to the air around. The sound waves travels through the medium of air and reaches the absence of sound. We cannot hear the sound. Hence, air is the most important for the transformation of sound.
Yes. Why should a glass bottle completely filled with water never be kept in a freezer? Yes. Okay, Deepika.
Man,
Yes.
due to enormous expansion of water, it expands while getting foreign. When the temperature goes below 4 degrees Celsius, the density of water starts decreasing and at the same time, the volume increases. Temperature in freezer is always less than 4 degrees Celsius. This causes expansion of the water. Due to expansion, the bottle may burst. Bottle is made up of glass. The broken glass pieces may cause harm. Therefore, the glass bottles should not be kept in freezer after completely filling them.
Yes, very good. So here we have completed our lesson, revising, and okay, question number 5 and 6 नाही घेतले आपण. Let's see. Yes. True or false नाही घेतले का आपण? Okay, let's take them. Say whether the state whether the following statement are true or false. Sandy soil has low capacity for holding water. Right answer in the chat box. True. Yes, sandy soil water hold करू शकत नाही. It's true. Next is, the substance in which a solute dissolves is called solvent. The substance in which a solute dissolves is called solvent. True or false? Okay. The pressure exerted by air is called atmospheric pressure. Yes, the pressure exerted by air is called atmospheric pressure. Yes, sorry. Okay, and question number 6 is, explain the picture in your own words. Okay. See, इथे वॉटर कसं एक्सपांड होतं, आईस होताना तो फिनोमिनन वापरला गेलेला आहे. सो हु विल एक्सप्लेन दिस पिक्चर? येस, एनीवन? In your words, you have to explain this picture. What is that phenomenon? What is acting over there? Yes, Aditi?
Hello. Hello.
Yes. Yes,
In
you can say.
picture, In picture number A, water in liquid state. Water is a fluid substance. Water does not have its own shape but has a volume. It can pass through small holes or seep through very small gaps or cracks. In picture number B, ice expands and its volume increases. Ice become lighter than the water. The density of ice is less than of water. Ice expands to break the gaps.
Yes. Okay. So we have completed every question. Okay. And you have answered very well. So from the next onwards, आपण हीच मेथड फॉलो करूया. जेव्हा आपला लेसन कंप्लीट होणार तेव्हा तुम्ही तो सगळेजण एक एक करून आता जसं वाचलं पॅरेग्राफ वाईज तुम्ही रीड करणार आणि नंतर आपण क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स घेणार. येस, यू ऑल आर ओके विथ दिस? येस. So your homework will be, you have to write question number 7. Okay. I think okay, 5, 6, 7 you have to write. I think question number 1, 2 and 3 you have written, right? Yes, you have written question number 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. So I will post homework today on our Google Classroom. In that I will be including question number 5, 6, 7 of your lesson number 3. Okay. Like this I will write and you have to attach. Okay. So I'm going to stop over here. So you all can leave the class. Bye bye everyone. Thank you for answering
Bye,
very
ma'am.
well. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye bye. Bye. Yes, please leave the class everyone. Yes, Prathamesh, do you have any doubt? Otherwise, you can leave the class. Yes, Prathamesh, are you there? Can you hear me? You can leave the class now.